this is what we're going to draw. Follow the links below to put all the other characters in as well. Let's start with these big roof timbers, which are a bit of a curve like that. To get the curve the other way, let's work out roughly where we're coming. So come straight down and then about the same distance across. Just put a tiny little dot, which gives you somewhere to aim at. And then if we turn the paper around, we can get that nice curve going that way as well. And then we want to come in and in a bit. And then we're going to come up to the top. And again, turn the paper around. That makes it easier for you. And then we draw that around there. Now we're going to draw the main big cross beam timber that goes across there and across there like that. Then we can draw the walls, and I'm going to make these come out just slightly at an angle because it just makes it look a bit more kind of cute and friendly somehow. I don't know why. And then we'll draw that there. So these are great big pieces of wood, big timbers. And then we can draw that across there. Actually, let's just draw a line right the way across. And that's the bottom of the stable. That's the floor. Now we're going to put a big roof support beam in there. And another one going that way. And I'm going to turn that because that was slightly curved, wasn't it there? So let's start same distance apart like that. There, so we got, those are the roof beams. And then we're going to want these ones to help hold the roof up. And it just makes it look more interesting as well, like that. Now on the top you can have a great big ridge tile like that. And then we want to draw tiles which are going to go across and down, across and down, across, down, across, down, across, down, and across, and well, that's in, isn't it? So, and let's draw the same on this side. We're going across and down, across and down, across, down, across, down, across, down, across, down, across, and down, like that. That's pretty good. And then here we're going to want some little curvy kind of marks. So this is going to be the straw on the floor. So just put these little sort of curvy, curly, whirly kind of marks. And then we can make this look like wood. So if we draw very lightly, I'm not pressing quite so hard, and we do this little kind of sort of step like that. And then we can do something similar down this, just a bit wobbly, like that. And then we can do here, and wobble down there, and come up and wobble down. And here we can just do nice curves. And that will be curving like that. And then here we can do this little kind of zigzag there, and we can do that zigzag on the top, maybe a little one there, and we can do a zigzag there, a zigzag like that, and then here we can do a zigzag there and a zigzag like that. Let's put it in the middle, and then a zigzag and a zigzag like that. Now if you want to cut it out, what makes it easier is if you put a darker line around the outside. And I'll speed this up. And don't forget, you are allowed to turn the paper around if it's going to make it easy for you. Thanks for watching and subscribing so you can come back and do lots more drawing.